Hi guys, it's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with a special video from Creme of Nature demonstrating some of their brand new products that they have for their natural hair line. They have around 4 products that I'm going to be utilizing on my type 4a-4b hair. I'm going to be showing you guys the benefits that I get from each product. I'm going to first start off by cleansing my hair using my sulfate-free Moisture and Shine shampoo, then following up by deep conditioning my hair using Creme of Nature's new moisturizing milk mask. This conditioner has the consistency of a butter. It's loaded with repairing nutrients which hydrates, restores, strengthens, and prevents damage to your hair. I'm going to apply it to my hair, lightly detangling. I'm going to go ahead and twist up my hair, then steam for approximately 20 minutes. After steaming my hair with a deep conditioner, I found that my hair was very soft and extremely slippery. Now I'm just using an old t-shirt and just drying my hair a little bit and applying a little bit of my favorite oil to my hair. I like to have my hair dry for approximately 45 minutes just so the drying time for my complete style is cut in half. This is optional, but this is just what I like to do. I have allowed my hair to dry 50% of the way. Now I'm going to lock in the moisture by using Creme of Nature's Butterlicious Curls. This is a lightweight moisturizer with a blend of argan oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. The consistency of this moisturizer is very custardy. I apply a nickel-sized amount to my hair to help with softening, rehydrating, as well as adding shine. Now for styling, I'm using Creme of Nature's new Pudding Perfection. The consistency for this styler is a lot like the name, a pudding. This is a moisturizing, curl enhancing cream aimed to reduce the amount of frizz and shrinkage you may receive while styling your hair. I use a dime-sized amount and apply the product down the shafts of my hair, then begin to start my twist. At the ends of my hair, I want the perfect coil. I'm going to be using my twirling custard, which will leave my ends crunch-free and very curly. The consistency of this custard is very gooey with an almost slime-like texture. I'm only going to apply a tad bit to my ends and gently coil until I achieve the perfect curl. This product is also great for transitioners. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process all over, applying the Pudding Perfection to my hair, 2-strand twisting, then coiling my ends using the twirling custard until I have styled my entire head. So this is my hair fully twisted. As you can see, I opted for more of a side part. I have approximately 18 medium to large 2-strand twists in my hair. As you can see, my hair is extremely shiny and the ends are also perfectly coiled. I'm going to apply my satin bonnet to my head and allow my hair to completely dry overnight. See you in the morning. Good morning. So I allowed my hair to dry overnight, which took approximately 12 hours. As you can see, my hair is very shiny, as well as the shrinkage is not that bad. I'm impressed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of argan oil, apply it to my hair, and gently remove those twists. As you can see, I have nice shine as well as great definition to my hair and not a whole lot of frizz. I want a lot of volume to my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and separate those twists, take my afro pick out my roots, and just fluff my hair out just a little bit just to get the desired volume that I like. So guys, here are my results. I'm impressed by how elongated my hair looks for first day curls. I also noticed how incredibly moisturized my hair feels and how shiny it looks. I have a lot of bounce and movement opposed to how stiff my hair usually feels. My hair does not feel dry at all and my curls are extremely defined. For more information on Creme of Nature for curls, coils, kinks, and waves, please visit cremeofnature.com. Let me know what you guys think of these products, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!